Good morning, students. In previous period, we have seen the focal point and focal planes of an optical system. Now, in this period, we will discuss about the principal point and principal planes. Principal point and principal planes. The principal point are the pair of conjugate points on the principal axis of the optical system, having unit positive linear magnification. In figure, an incident ray A parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the optical system passes through the second focal point F2 as shown in the figure. Produce the incident ray A on the emergent ray A backward such that they intersect A at A2. The plane through A2 and perpendicular to the axis XX dash is called the second principal plane, and its point of intersection H2 with the axis is called the second principal point. Similarly, the incident ray B passing through the first focal point F1 after refraction through the optical system emerges parallel to the axis, produce the emergent ray B backward and incident ray B forward such that they intersect at A1. The plane through A1 and perpendicular to the XX dash axis is called the first principal plane, and its point of intersection H1 with the axis is called the first principal point. The incident ray B has been so chosen that the corresponding emergent ray lies at the same distance above the axis as the incident ray A. It is thus seen that the incident ray A and B are converging towards the point A1, and the corresponding emergent rays appear to diverge from the point A2. Hence, A2 is the image of A1, where H1A1 equals to H2A2. Thus, A1 and A2 are conjugate points. This is true for all such pairs on the principal planes. Hence, if an object be placed in the first principal plane, an erect image of the same size would be found in the second principal plane. That is, the linear magnification is positive 1. Finally, it is follow that if an incident ray passes through the first principal plane at a certain height from the principal axis, the corresponding emergent ray will pass through the second principal plane at the same height and on the same side of the axis. Now we'll see something about the focal length. The distance H1 F1 as shown in figure is called the first focal length F1, and the distance H2 F2 the second focal length F2 of the system. F1 and F2 are also known as the focal length in object space and image space respectively. The medium be same on the two sides of the system, then F1 equals to F2 numerically as shown in the figure.